I made my own. I just had a brain fart. I made my own Bella Box. All right. So we're gonna actually look at a Bella Box. Everybody, whoever doesn't know what a Bella Box is, a Bella Box is basically a lot of streamers use. I think a TVU or a LiveU, and the third one is a Bella Box. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna show you my my Bella Box. I finally got it finished. So this is it right here. So this is the Bella Box right here, and this right here is the charger. So I actually can connect it to right here to start it up, and then once it's started up, I'm using this USB right here to connect to hotspot, or like as you guys can see, Ethernet if I have another portable hotspot. And I actually need to get another Velcro strap to put on this for the hotspot, and maybe the charger. I might get another anchor to put on it, because the anchors are really good. They're unreliable. So what I have right here, this right here, USB-C to connect to my phone to use it as a hotspot, and HDMI. So I'm going to show you real quick. So as you guys know, this is my Cinecam. I use Zcam right here. So, and then all I have to do is honestly just connect it to this, go on my phone, start it up. If I already have stream going on, just transfer it over from different scenes, and we'll be good to go. So I'm actually really excited that I made my own streaming setup. It took me a while because the first Raspberry Pi I bought was not the correct one, so I had to send it back. So the only thing that I'm looking to do right now is to get smaller. I think there's actually smaller hotspots, like smaller like chip SIMs cards that I could put in hotspot USB, but they're just saying to go with the Netgear, which is better, I would say. But I don't know. I don't really want to have a consistent fee of just spending like on hotspot if I'm not super consistent with IRLs. I'm more data for IRL, so like I could use my phone, which will be connecting as a hotspot and a Netgear, and it'll be creating like it's a bonding network. So the network will be strong, so I could send it out. So when I'm in crowds, the stream doesn't die out and stuff like that. So I would say like that's the poor man's backpack, LiveU backpack. But we're actually gonna go into, I'm gonna show you what the setup is, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna show you. First we're gonna start off with a TVU, right? Is it TVU? No, LiveU. This is what a LiveU is, guys. Can I have it on TikTok? Oh, okay, cool. So let me see. I didn't want to get a short video. Okay, this was like 9 months ago. So this is a LiveU.
With Sours by Extra, every chew is sour with a sweet twist.
Psst. Hey, over here. Yeah, it's the book talking. Come on, don't judge. Hey, so I hear you're looking to rent.
Hey guys, as a live streamer where I stream a lot of live content, IRL content, I needed something that was going to be tough, durable, and honestly, everybody kind of pointed me this way towards the LiveU Solo. So I picked up the LiveU Solo. What this is an encoder. You can actually connect up to four or five, I believe 4 connections wired in Wi-Fi into this device by getting splitters, all that stuff. But anyways, that's something for another video. this here, you have your HDMI output that's going to go to your camera. You have your USB, your HDMIs, all of you have your Ethernet cable, all that for your modem. That's going to help you when you're IRL streaming. Let's load this up. This can actually help you stream.
Yeah, that's the only one thing that I wish that the Bella Box had, but I actually can configure it, put a screen on it, which would be better, I would say, to just be able to know that like what's going on instead of like seeing it through my phone.
In 4K. You can definitely stream 1080p, which is something that I do. I like to stream 1080p. It just makes things easier and it causes less stress on the device. You can see here it comes with the charging cable. It comes with these dongles that you can actually plug in with. And look at this. I love the corner USB splits. I love those. I love those. And then what you do is you can get wireless Wi-Fi pods and put them in there. You can slip them right in there. That's an actual case for the LiveU Solo. And of course, you got your HDMI cable. Unless you have another one, you could use this one too. So, waiting for it to power on. It does take a couple minutes to power on, at least for the first time. And what you do is you plug in all your stuff. This is like your central encoder. So like your inputs from the internet, your Wi-Fi spots are going to load into this encoder. And this encoder is going to also put out to where your modem is. So you're going to plug your modem in, and what's going to do, it's super lightweight too. I thought this was going to be a lot heavier. It's actually pretty lightweight. But your modem is going to put out your signal for your stream. Just waiting for this to load up here. Easy controls, 2-button controls. Now, it looks a little funny on the camera because of the frames. But this is actually pretty clear. It's not flickering like that in actual real life. You can
see, I feel like if we had a configuration with the with the Bella Box, like something like that, I think that would be cool.
Connect your Wi-Fi setup here by putting in your passcodes. There are different options. You have your settings. You can show all the available networks in the surrounding area if you did that. Or you could really just connect your Wi-Fi is obviously what's preferred. You don't want to connect to a local Wi-Fi because you're going to be walking around. A lot of big companies use this. This is good for like big time movie cameras, newscasting, that type of thing. This is really heavy duty stuff. So this is really going to help support your stream on your online journey. And it's honestly worth the price. For what you could do with this, it's really worth it. So I would highly recommend the LiveU Solo. Get it because it does come with a lot of cool extras that you're going to find pretty convenient on your journey as a streamer or as a live.
All right, so, and this is TVU. This is the $30,000 backpack that everybody have. TVU. So this is pretty much, we're gonna give a short video to this. This is what a lot of people usually use. Let me see. All right, we're gonna give, let me see what they got here. Let's see. Okay, we can use speed.
I'm gonna be live 24/7, traveling across the whole America. Welcome to Speed Does America. What's good, man?
iShowSpeed's US tour, powered by TVU and Unlimited IRL. WTVU.
3, 2, 1, box.
Oh, this tour was all over the place at times, but it was really strengthened by a good team.
Hold up. Hold on, what the fuck is going on here?
Oh, this tour was all over the place. At times, but it was really strengthened by a good team that knew what to use and knew what they were doing.
This is inside the tour bus. I got everything, mic, monitors. We have cameras all over.
The backbone of all of that was TVU. We were using the RPS-1 transmitter tied into TVU Producer.
Right now we're sending everything to TVU Producer, and then TVU Producer mixes down what camera, what audio, and then it sends it to our cloud server.
The support from TVU and their partners really put it all together and let our crew from the speed team work in their best capacity.
Yeah, so this is pretty much the backpack that a lot of people usually have.
The hardest challenge was...
So hold on, so let me just get some other short videos. We're gonna do a couple short.
For me. Yo.
But that backpack, Johnny said he don't want to put his head on camera because y'all be acting like on the Twitter com.
Oh yeah, see.
Chat, look at this. Chat, chat, in 2025, this is dead as a flex.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it
In
was
2025, chat, this shit dead as a like on the TVUs, man. Damn, the WTVUs. That's like cameraman porn. That's like cameraman porn.
yeah. So basically, the TVU is like the big brother of them all. And so I'm gonna show you the Bella Box. So I'm super excited about this. This is the
Guys, you're not understanding, but I'm live streaming right now with this setup. This is it right here. Isn't that freaking crazy? This is the best as it gets. What's up? Oh my god. Oh my god.
so yeah, he has a hotspot right here, charger, and this is the Bella Box.
That's so cool. With this click of a button, I'm gonna turn off my live stream, okay? Boop. It's done. You saw the OBS change? That's crazy. All right, so you want to IRL stream. Step 1, you're gonna need a miniature computer. I know. That's cool. So what is this? Orange Pi Plus, a new generation of mini PC. So it's just a PC. Think of your big PC in this size. Don't let that overwhelm you. This is the PC case. This little device makes Wi-Fi connectivity. You don't need to set it up. You don't need to do anything. It's literally plug and play. This little thing lets you connect it to any Wi-Fi source possible. It could be your personal hotspot, and you can have multiple internet connected to this PC at the same time. You just put the motherboard in and you close the case. This is your whole computer. Power source. But anything works. This small rig 99 will last you the whole day. Now this is the Nighthawk M7. I have 8.
Yeah, that's the hard drive that they usually talk about, that everybody talks about, that you should get.
AT&T 100 gigabytes a month, which can connect to Ethernet cable to my computer. Now I have 2 signals operating at the same time. So if my Wi-Fi or hotspot disconnects, this will pick it up, making it twice as secure just in case if something happens. My live stream will still continue. So those are the 3 components you need: miniature PC, internet, and modem, and your power source. Now what you're going to need to do is go to BELABOX.net. Now what is BellaBox? That's complicated. All I want you to know, it's the cloud. You send your computer stream to the cloud, and the cloud sends it to your computer. You go to BellaBox.com, you make an account, you pay $10 a month, and you need to use GitHub.com. Once you sign up for BellaBox, you're going to sign up for a SRT.
And you know, this is like, I forgot to mention, this is like $10 a month. So it's like, what, 12 months is in a year, 120. It's not bad.
LA, as well as a remote control. Now the remote control is very simple. That's your computer. The SRT-LA is a little bit more complicated. Now what you're going to do is when you go to the SRT-LA, you're going to connect it to your OBS connection system. You use this USB-C connection to power your PC. You connect your Ethernet cable right here, which is your Nighthawk M7. That's it. 2 pieces done. If you have tiny cables, it would be much more cuter and more nice. But you don't want to cover the win hole because you don't want it to overheat. I would recommend putting this at the bottom like this. Then you can strap your power right on top like this. And finally, you can connect your HDMI camera to your PC and stream it to BellaBox.net. Down in the description, I'm going to put down a few links. The first one will be how to set up your PC. The second one will be how to set up BellaBox.net to your OBS system. That's it. This is it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, like if you want me to get more in depth, please let me know. Guys, you're not understanding.
Yeah, so that's pretty much a setup I have. I'm super excited for that. One thing that I definitely do need is a cameraman. Trying to do at least two to three IRLs a month. And I think after that, after we get the cameraman, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be, we're gonna enjoy the time. We're gonna enjoy the journey, and we just gonna make shit. It's just gonna get crazy. It's just gonna get really crazy, like in a good way. But yeah, I haven't been able to. That's unfortunate. I haven't really been able to get somebody cameraman consistent. But it's just somebody. I'm just looking for somebody like who's consistent, just 2 to 3 times out the month, and we just gonna have real fun, like, you know. But yeah, that is my Bella Box setup, and especially with New York City, is like we're in the best place in the world that you can be, like, you know. Like, I wish I could have streamed the parade, but it wasn't set up already. So that's one thing I'll have to say. Let's see. You know what?